I thought she gave it to you.
Looks nice, like in the bag.
Everyone. Okay. You can hear Francisco talking right now. They're friends, Susanna and I don't know her name.
Ruby.
What the hell is that?
Huh? Chantel.
Chantel.
Susanna.
That's her name.
You don't tell me
Susanna.
you've never had this. No, I've never
We're in this little
really good for
room
you.
building thingy.
It looks nice. I think this is like the less ghetto version.
This is the last ghetto version of wherever we are at. And the view, not a very pretty view, but it's the view.
It's a nice view though.
Not really.
You know what I mean?
So ghetto. I could have at least recorded when there was a nice car passing by.
Anywho.
Yeah.
Huh?
I wasn't talking to you guys.
We didn't listen.
Don't let us know what the hell you're doing. You cut his cheese.
Hey,
Alone, you mix it, you eat it.
say hi.
If someone
I
tries
see
to
you
tell me
recording
what-
yourself.
I know. And I
cool.
see you. I see me seeing you.
Wait, I want to see that too. Like, okay, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Cool.
Okay, so right here, I'm with my cousin, Sake, and his friend, Ivan. I am. They're a little weird. They're so boring. What are you guys doing? What is this? What does that say? Boobs? Does it say boobs? I love boobs. Yeah.
What do you always say?
I don't know. Just say something. Come on. Just say something.
So a turtle travels at 3.6 miles per hour. That's pretty fast.
You guys would have a sucky vlog. Aww. That was nice. What? That's enough. Say bye. Wow. Really? Just when I'm about to start recording, that noise comes on. Whatever. Such a beautiful day today. Look at the sun. So beautiful. I should have worn a dress today. Oh, and that's my friend. Oh, he's in there. Yep, I'm hanging out with him right now. It's pretty cool. And we're just talking about how nice the day is. So nice. And it's only 11:36. Aww. Totally wearing a dress tomorrow. So today, while making a video what not to do when driving and stuff, I guess it's kind of been like a car day. Do you want to tell them what happened?
I don't know. She just like messed up.
Oh, really? Me? I didn't do anything.
Well, not her, but like her car decided to not let us turn her on or something. Like it just says battery saver on.
And then like check charge system.
Where's
Yeah,
the charge system?
We have no idea what to do. I was like freaking out. Like I called them. I was like, the car won't start. So then I had to call my mommy and they're gonna come see what's wrong with it. And we might be here for like an hour more or so. Great. Oh, I don't even know. It won't even start.
But good thing we have this little. Well, they have this little.
The
thing.
manual.
The manual. You know?
It won't start. It like
And then it goes like this.
twitches. Engine power reduced. What does that mean? I don't know. Everybody knows about cars.
Call him.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, now my dad called me. Great. So my daddy's gonna come in a while. We thought the battery was dead, but like the window thingy and the music's like working, so that can't be it. We're gonna be stuck here for a while. I have a feeling.
Eat your sandwich.
That's all we have for survival. And I have money.
We could just go, I guess.
To the cafeteria.
It closes like at 6.
We have time.
We have time.
Okay, my dad's gonna be here in a little bit.
And there's vending machines for soda, you know.
And I'm finishing the last of my Doritos.
Don't worry, there's more.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what was that?
My laptop.
Oh. There was a ghost in here.
Oh, paranoid.
Paranormal activity in car.
We should do that. You gave me ideas.
Squish chips. These are perfect though, but these aren't.
Perfect. Not perfect.
So, what did we fix?
The car. Finally, thanks to my dad. Where's my dad anyway? In the back?
At number 3, Bruno Mars.
You're probably like
Left that way.
U-turn or something. Wow, yeah. But yeah, I'm happy now.
I
I
think
was
it's like
worried. I don't know where he went. Oh, it's over there, I think.
Yeah. Danger is not no more. Or no. How do you say that?
Danger is no more.
Danger is no more.
don't
We
know
are
how to say
saved. We are saved. The car works. Thanks to Ruby's dad.
I know.
Bitch. It's our turn. I know. So yeah,
We saw Mr. Doyle.
yeah, Doyle. As
Weird.
Halima. We totally tweeted it.
He was like running. Like,
He was running with his dog.
yeah. At first I was like, that's not Mr. Doyle, but then
It was, and he said, "Hey." We're like,
I was like, I didn't even say anything back, so I didn't even know he said it. I was just like shocked, like,
yeah, we're both. Me and Ruby were his TAs.
TAs.
Yeah, different periods though.
Fourth period.
Sixth period. Yeah, sixth period.
Fourth period was the best.
Yeah, because they didn't do anything. Sixth period had to do all the man labor and all that stuff.
Oh, we were women. I mean, we are women. We were not anymore.
Tranny.
I changed.
She's a tranny.
No, I am not.